In this video, I'll be showing you how to link your Bybit account to your TradingView account. The first step that you have to do is to access tradingview.com. Then after logging in, you will see this interface. Focus on the Products tab, which is here. Now click the supercharge after hovering on the products. It will show you a trading view of the current stocks or tokens available that you have set up in your TradingView account. So how you can connect your Bybit account to your TradingView. So just click this trading panel at the bottom and then expand it. As you can see, you will be introduced in the connect through or trusted brokers. Just click the all brokers and then find Bybit. And this is the Bybit, which is on the second position of these brokers. Click this and then click the connect button. Here it will redirect you to the Bybit login page. So just input your email and password and then finish the authentication process. And basically that's it. After authenticating it and verifying the connection, your Bybit account will now be finally connected to your TradingView account. And that's how you can connect your Bybit account to your TradingView. And thank you for listening.